All right, it's a new day. I'm wearing a helmet cam today. I'm going to give you a different perspective. And back to the garage cleanup. Yeah, these things take time. It doesn't happen overnight. And I'm trying something a little different. No intro. I'm just going to roll right into this. As a matter of fact, I rolled in with some music. I figured I would wait until that song finished before I hop in and kind of tell you what I'm doing now. So, yeah, because that was the favorite song, I figured I would just play it. So that's my background music roll. It just rolls all the time. I even bop my head and stomp my foot to that. That's a good tune. So now what I'm doing is since I already moved the toolbox, now I am putting the tools where they belong. I'm getting them off the floor. I'm just consolidating that area in front of that black BMW. All right. Now, again, the story behind the story behind the story. So while I'm doing that, I'll talk about the name. So I called the car the Beast. And that's probably not a good name for a car or anything, any living thing, but that's what I've been calling it. And I am going to officially change the name. And let me go into why I started calling that car the Beast. So the official name, it's a BMW 750. It's a 2012. It has maybe 80,000 miles. The car's in really good shape. So it's a good purchase. The engine is good. I've got some mechanical things I'm working on, obviously. But when I was changing the tire and I took the tire off, man, that tire was so heavy. And I said, man, that thing is a beast. Yeah, and it stuck. So I've been calling it the Beast. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the name of the car because I was going to put that as my license plate and put a tire sticker. I was going to, the Beast, the Beast, the Beast. No, the reason I'm going to change the name is because I don't like the name the Beast, right? I don't want it to have a negative image. So I'm going to call it Heavy. That car is heavy. Because that tire is heavy. That hood, although it was aluminum, was heavy. Everything on this car just seems to be heavy and a little bit more than the average bear. So I'm going to start calling it heavy. I'm going to stop calling it the Beast and just call it heavy. All right? Here we go. All right, it's me again. I know you're going to listen to that favorite song, but I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. So that little tool rack you saw that was hanging down, pet peeve, it was just hanging down. And I finally just put it back up. So yeah, that was just me. And now I'm still putting tools, and I'm going to fast forward through the rest of my tool cleanup. Oh, and I actually put a screw in the wall to hang this up. If you watch my videos, you'll know exactly what that tool is for. All right, so let's finish up with these tools. Hey, sorry to interrupt your silence, but I got way too many tools. Look at that stuff. Oh my. I should just calculate how much I spent on tools and things in this garage. That was my compressor. That was my second compressor, larger than the first compressor. I bought that one to paint that hood. You see the hood on heavy? Yes, heavy. The hood on heavy was painted using that compressor. And now I'm just moving everything out of that corner so I can get to that lawnmower. Junk. That's a headlight assembly from heavy. And I'm keeping it. Why? Because maybe one day I might need a part off it. Junk. Gotta start throwing stuff out. Otherwise, I'll have things crammed into every void in that garage. All right. Enjoy. So here I am. I know you all do this. I'm just looking. Like, I don't want to touch anything. I'm just looking. I don't know where to start. So I just keep pulling things away, empty buckets. The goal is to get the lawnmower out because at some point in the next week, I will have to mow the lawn. It's not a big lawn. It's a small lawn, but I need a lawnmower. And here I am, still unpacking, still dragging. I have so much work to do. Look at all that stuff up there. Moving things around, move 2 feet to the left, pulling things out, bring it back 2 feet to the right. That's the story of this garage, but that's all right. I'm not complaining. Oh, by the way, so that last song you heard, yeah, that was a song that I paid for again on Fiverr. That's Fiverr. And that was my intro song. So I paid for that one to be my intro song. I do like that song. I like it just as an intro, but I don't love it as much as I love like my background music. My background music is really good. So, moving things out. Hey, anyone know what that machine is I'm moving? Drop it in comments. Let me know if you can work a machine like that. That used to be my old hustle. That was my $250 a weekend cash for 2 hours worth of work. Loved it. I no longer have a big vehicle to carry that around in, but I can't seem to get rid of it. I probably should, but I have not. I also spend a lot of time wrapping up extension cords. Maybe I'll mount something up top. I don't know. I'll have to work on that, but these cords, I only have a couple of cords. They're always in my way. Finally. Boy, I tell you, it took me a long time to dig this out. And then it's sitting on a bucket? Like, who does that? That's trash. So there you have it. Garage is clean. Move the snowblower from the front, put it in the back. Got the lawnmower out. Assemble the shelf. Ergonomically move the toolbox so I can go back and forth, getting my tools. Job's all done. It's all done. Let's go take a walk around. These snow tires need to come out. I think I'm just gonna wash them. Some of the snow tires need to be sold. I've got 4 over here. I've got 4 over here. That's a total of 8 doggone snow tires. It's a lot of snow tires. Gotta go, gotta go. So all right, on to the next. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.